सो विशाल जी, आप J4E और दयासरा अभी इकट्ठा काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा। तो आपका J4E के बारे में हम कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, तो उसके बारे में कुछ आप बताएंगे?
Sure. Thank you, Anandji, for inviting me. I would love to share about J4E. Basically, J4E is a community of entrepreneurs by the entrepreneur for the entrepreneur. We have around close to 3,000 entrepreneurs or startups associated with us on the free WhatsApp group. We are in a mission to help 10 lakh Indian entrepreneurs. So to help them, we focus on three areas. One is networking, which helps them to identify right resource which is required for their business growth, as well as it helps them to generate leads for their business, which converts into revenue. So they grow financially. Secondly, we focus on the ELM skills. ELM stands for entrepreneurship, leadership, and management skills. We believe that if entrepreneurs are having these three strong skills, it can help them to grow. If they are weak in these skills, definitely they will struggle to grow. So for that, we invite industry experts, those who have like business of 100 CR, 500 CR, 1000 CR. We discuss with them how do they run their business, and we discuss our problems and challenges. They provide their experience, which help us to resolve lots of challenges. Thirdly, we focus on opportunities. When we are inviting corporate people or industry experts, we just request them to help two startups of J4E members. So even though if they are able to help to startup, it is helping them to enter into the corporates. So which we call opportunities. So which is again helping them to grow. So these are the three areas which we focus on: networking, improving their ELM skills, and third is opportunities, which is helping them to get more corporates or potential customers and clients.
Amazing, Vishal. That's fantastic. And Dayasra has been working with J4E very closely. तो
Yes.
हमने अभी BLRP यानी बिजनेस लोन रेडीनेस प्रोग्राम अभी किया. तो Vishal, we would like to know about your experience as the leader of J4E as well as program के बारे में आपको यानी what would you like to share with other entrepreneurs?
Thank you so much. I would really thank entire Dayasra team for organizing this program. As a, I would say J4E founder or J4E leader, it really helps me to grow our startups because it helps them to realize what are the financial mistakes they are doing in their business. It is just like there are some loopholes which because of that they are not able to grow, and they are able to fill that loopholes. So like they are sometimes very weak in financial planning, or how to approach the investor, or what kind of investment we can plan for it. So all these questions help our startups to resolve it, so that this program will not help them immediately right away, but this is helping our startups to make our company foundation strong, so that maybe after a year time, 2 years time, 3 years time, when we are looking for maybe equity funding or debt funding, or if you're looking for any kind of investor, we are ready from our side. So it will not like that on that time we will struggle for all this planning. So I'm really thankful on behalf of J4E family, and personally I'm very weak in financial planning and all these things. So I realized that this is one of the factor which we usually ignore it, and we don't identify. Because of this ignorance, we are not able to manage our finance properly, and because of that we face more number of challenges in our business. We get the money in business, but we do not understand how to utilize it. That is the reason always there is a struggle of money management. So individual level also, it helps me a lot to plan my finance properly, and I am sure this will help me in future to get right investor in my business.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much, Vishal, for sharing what you experienced, and we will continue our association strongly.
Would love to.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thanks.